All right, I'm back with another um shit, I'm lost. With another trade review. So I took a trade this morning. I took two trades this morning. I hit the first target, made $324, as you can see by the title. But anyway, the plan was this morning before the open was to either go up and take out previous day high first, or come down and take out this trend line liquidity. Like I said, this is big. So either way, we want to go either come down, take this out first, then we would go up. We'll come up and take this out first, and then we go up. So anytime we get close to a major liquidity level, which you know is previous day high and previous day low, they pretty major, and we get close to it, I usually like to wait to come back to it and take a liquidity trade into the previous day high. So in order for us to become bearish, first of all, we need to get below this. Well, no, you don't need to get below that because that's a bearish fair value gap. First of all, we need to see something like this, a big drawdown, to change the flow. So if we just would have had a little pullback to, like, say right here, I wouldn't get in because I'd be thinking we still gonna take this high. We're just having a little pullback. But once you get a drop like this and you take out the internal low that was from here this morning, it's pretty much we can change order flow. We're going down instead of up now. So once you see that, now I'm willing to take a short. First of all, we got a bearish 4-hour fair value gap that we respected at 10 o'clock. See, 10 o'clock, we closed back below it. We thought we was going to close over, well, I thought we was going to close over it, and which would have helped push it to this previous day high. But we closed back under it. So that's a bearish sign. The 15-minute fair value gap was really the key to it, I think. So when I seen this close, I said, man, that's an engulfing 15-minute fair value gap. When you see an engulfing like that, it's pretty much telling you that we bearish. So I was willing to take shorts and not longs anymore when that closed at 10 o'clock. All right, so you go back to the minute. And then we look for. So we just looking for, because I didn't miss the big move, and I think we're going lower. We looking for, because it's clearly that the order flow is bearish. So now we're just looking to get in somewhere because we didn't miss the big move, which is fine missing the big move, because if you was bullish, you can't just make a reversal like that quick. You got to get some real order flow change like this in order for you to change your perspective. But we didn't come down this far and took out this leg, and under my perspective has changed. So anyway, we just looking for a way to get in, and the way we get in with inverse fair value gaps. I didn't have an SMT on the ES, so there's no need in showing it. But where I got in was right here on this candle. I got it on replay. So if you can see, this is the fair value gap right here. That's the fair value gap. And you can see we closed inside. So once we done that, I put my stop here. And I got in. And let's see. There you go. We hit this. I went break even. Once I got to right here, I went break even. But this hit my first target. So what is, I go for 2R, but I like to take something because I don't want to end the day with nothing if we did hit 1R. So I take, just say you got two minutes. I take one right here, and hopefully we get to there. But if not, I still get something. But anyway, you can see I went to break even right there, but it came on down and hit my first target. Like I said, I went to break even. Now for that, you can see we went back up, took me out at break even. But I did try it again because I'm still confident we going down, which is never good to be because you shouldn't have confidence in what you, well, I mean, I don't know, maybe you can, but you just want to play the price action and not be stuck in your mind frame, because that's what happened to me last week. I was stuck on going long and I lost big time. But anyway, so I got back in this trade. I'm gonna see, because I'm still, let's get rid of this. This don't matter. I'm still stuck on short. All right, so we went back up and see this little fair rally gap right there. All right, this second trade I took was right here in the same area. See, this little is a very little gap right here, but it is a gap. Like I said, I'm stuck on bears. So when we came back up, made a pivot, and closed inside this candle of the first candle that made the fair value gap, the very small fair value gap, I entered right there. So if you can see this, because I'm already to the good for today, I'm not taking no chances. As soon as I get right here, I'm going to break even. I want a flush. If we don't get a flush, I just don't get it. But as soon as we hit right there, I'm going to break even, just because I don't want to take the chance. There you go. That one didn't go. I had to wait for right here. As soon as we got right there, I went break even. But you can see it almost went down. I almost went to my 1R. But you can see it eventually just come back up and hit my break even. Took me out. So that was my 2 trades for the day. So I stuck to my discipline. 2 trades no matter what. So I would have had, if I would have had 2 break even trades today, I still would have been 2 and done. So either way, it's 2 and done. So I'm proud of myself for today. Just trying to make back from what I done last week, and just trying to make it back by being disciplined and knowing I still got what, 8, 9, 10 trading days left in the month, so I can get back to positive. That's my main goal, is to be green at the end of the month. And that's all for today.